Hello student, today we are going to start with another important topic, that is SQL injection. So it is basically the attack which is to be used by the attacker hacker for the web browser or web server. Now how actually this perform, or what is the concept of SQL injection? So the SQL injection, it is the way in which the attacker which performs the attack on the SQL query. Okay, now it is a code injection technique in which that exploit a security vulnerability occurring in database layer of a application. It is also called as SQL insertion attack. So what actually attacker does over here? He manipulate manipulate the query which is to be forward from client to the database server. The objective is to obtain the information while accessing a database table that may contain a personal information. Malicious code which is to be inserted into a web from field or the website code to make a system execute a command shell or the other arbitrary commands. The steps for SQL injection. So these are the different steps which are available for performing the SQL injection attack or SQL query attack. So what actually perform over here? Okay, take the example, that is login form, that may be Gmail, Yahoo, etc. So what it perform? Username is there and password is there. Okay, so username is your email ID and password is your uh, regular password. Now this query which is to be passed from your client to the database server. Now what it will perform? It will perform select star from username, that is username is your xyz@gmail.com and password is 123456. So what actually it perform? It, in general technique, select star from user table and username is your Gmail account and password. Now this database is matched with this this instruction which match with the database server detail, and in response to that database server responding to the SQL query. Now these are the working of a SQL injection. But SQL attack, what it perform? It manipulate the query with the help of OR logic. Okay, means it will upgrade the basic query. Now blind SQL injection. It is useful for when a web application is vulnerable to SQL injection, but the result of the injection are not visible to the attacker. That is just like as a passive attack. So how we are going to prevent injection attack? So use the input validation, replace all single quote to two single quotes. Now numeric value should be checked. Keep all the text boxes. So these are the few precaution. Modify the error reports. Other prevention, SQL Server 2000 never be used. Okay, so upgrade your database server. These are the things which are related to the SQL injection. So SQL injection, what we conclude over here, it is a web browser attack in which the database or query which is to be fired from SQL query which is to be generated from client to the database server, which is to be modified by attacker, and motivate the data server to send the true database. Always a true query, whether it might be false, but always it send the true query to the client. And just in this way the attacker takes the control of the victim PC. This is the thing which are related to the SQL injection. Next lecture we will discuss the types of the buffer overflow and types of the overflow, buffer overflow. Okay, thank you.